Hello and welcome back to my channel Norina with Decor, your favorite spot. A big hello to my amazing audience. In today's video, I'm talking about black cake designs in different styles, color combination and sizes. So please guys watch this video till then so you don't miss any other amazing designs. All the designs are very unique, trendy and beautiful, and I'm sure you will get amazing cake decoration ideas from this video. If you like any design, then please take the screenshot of it, and if you want to more cake decoration designs ideas, so you can please visit my channel and also do try my amazing black cake designs at your home. So guys, you are asking for this, and I'm here with you with a new video. Decorating is an art of bring joy and happiness and beauty to our lives. With every brush stroke, every color choice and every detail, we create something unique. In Norina with Decor's channel, we creating and passion of decorating for you. Our videos showcase stunning decor ideas, dye tutorial and expert tips and tricks. Our channel is Go Your Inspiration for home decor decorations. Subscribe now and get ready to transform your space. Our video are informative, engaging and fun to watch. We sharing decorating ideas for every room, every style and every budget. Whether you are a seasoned decorator or a beginner, we have got to cover you. Our content to inspire, empower to create your own dreams space. From decor trends to timeless classic, we explore to all. Our team is dedicated to bringing you the next new designs and new videos, best decorating ideas and device. We believe that everyone deserves have a beautiful home, regardless of their styles and budget, that reflects our personality and designs and styles. So guys, what are you waiting for? Subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching our cake decoration video. We hope you loved seeing how to decorate a beautiful cake. Cake decoration is a fun way to make parties and extra special. We hope you got lots of inspiration for your next cake. Don't forget to subscribe for more diet tutorial. Hit the notification bell for updates on new videos. We love sharing creative ideas like cake decorations with you. Happy baking and decorations. Thanks again for watching. I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Till then, please take care of yourself.